Hey guys, how you doing today? I did it again. How you doing? I'm not from New York.
You from Boston?
No. I'm from a farm country in southern Indiana. Where we talk about cricks and hollers. We don't doing. Hey guys, how are you doing?
Dork.
Doing. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Shut up! Are you ready?
Yes. Let's do it again.
What's that about?
Okay, let's get through this.
You gotta stop laughing.
Okay. Stop. Okay.
You start it.
Okay. Become one with the boat in the water today.
You keep laughing, nothing's gonna get done.
I have to get stuff done.
Well, you might get your pants beat in a little bit.
I have stuff to do today.
Oh.
I have a list this long, and I'm only probably going to get through that much of it. Anyway.
Hey guys. Really? We'll let her finish.
I don't know why I have the giggles today. Okay. So forget that part. What are we working on today?
Absolutely nothing today.
Yes, we are. I'm moving a sticker off the board today. Gosh darn it.
Nancy stops laughing. In progress, done.
Okay. No, I'm gonna go. I got to get at least 2 coats of varnish on that.
You gotta stop laughing.
I'm not laughing.
Not right now.
Okay, so I have to get 2.
I can't.
Stop!
I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here.
Oh. Okay. I have 2 coats of varnish to get on the front of the bowsprit design.
Spit it out, Sylvester. Suffering succotash.
Today, and I need to get
Just stop. Just stop.
I need to get
Just
this shit on.
wait. Slow down. We're all the way. Stop. We're actually going in reverse now. Okay. We're back in the. Okay. We'll be back because someone has to change her pants because she's probably peed in them already from laughing so much.
I have not.
Because we're not going forward that fast, so we're going slow in reverse. And yes, this says reverse all the way back. Doesn't do a damn thing, but besides make me feel good going. Okay, we're in neutral. Slow and neutral. We're just sitting. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm just gonna go start working. Apparently this is too difficult to get there today.
I'm not even looking at her. Not even looking. Here.
Oh my god. You gave me the giggles today.
Oh, me? I'm not even going to look at you and you're going to start laughing. See? Hey guys, how you doing today? She can't talk. For some reason, she's got the giggles, so she's going to sit there. What she wants to get done is 2 coats of varnish on the artwork up on the bow. And me, I'm going to try to wax the port side of the boat and try to get some shine on it. There we go. So that's what we're going to try to get done today. We brought the thermostat, and I brought hopefully enough stuff that I can get water circulating through the air conditioner and maybe, just maybe, get that tested. So that is what our plan is to do today.
I still have to finish the Coast Guard numbers plaque, and I need to sand this down and seal up all the holes.
You can talk. Okay, so that was, she's going to finish painting the gold on the Coast Guard numbers. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all we're going to do. Because we're going to run out of time real quick because it's going to be hot. Oh, yeah, and we want to try to silicone in all the windows to stop water intrusion into the boat.
Yeah, we do.
Is that funny too?
Yes.
Okay, that's funny.
Oh, gosh. Okay, yeah, that's what we're doing.
Oh, hi, welcome to the boat. You can't make this stuff up, guys. You can't. I swear. If you want to contribute to the boat, come on down to Cut's Edge Marina in Palmetto. Lunch and drinks will be provided. I need all the help I can get because someone can't stop laughing today, and we're not going to get anything done. So come on down. We got the barbecue off the back. We'll do burgers, whatever you want. I just need to get some work done on this boat because, you know, Laughing Livestock over here is just going nuts. You know, piddling Penny, because I'm sure she's piddling her pants.
I am not.
Okay. So just come on down, Google it, Cut's Edge Marina, and we'll be happy to.
By the time this video comes out, we'll be up in Clearwater. So.
Clearwater's funny too, apparently.
Oh my God. Okay.
You know what? Let's just pack up, go home, and I'm going to start drinking. Rum. Rum. Is rum funny? Okay.
Oh gosh. Okay, let me go paint. Oh gosh. Okay.
Sparky?
Okay, stop. I gotta get to work. Okay, can we do this seriously now?
If you want to go get the fire extinguisher and put that fire out.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
I can. I've done it once. I'm waiting on you.
I know we can't.
Don't even. She said, "Don't even touch her." Have I even touched her? Watch, ready?
Okay. Okay, I'm done. I gotta get to work now.
You playing?
I am. We're going.
We're going.
We're going fast.
Oh. Our dinghy's falling apart.
Oh. Oops. just bought it too.
Our motor fell off.
And we're surrounded by dogs.
The dogs are swimming.
Alright.
So what do you want me to say?
Our normal clothing stuff.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. There's a lot more to come. Can't wait till next week. It's going to be some more exciting content. As you see, the dogs are swimming nicely in the
Patio.
yeah. We're pretending we're you know, work with us here. But if you like this, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, like. Head on over to Patreon as well and look up SV Free Spirit. There's a lot of benefits out there that will help you connect with us. Also, we have some very exciting news coming up in the very near future. So watch in the next video or two, and some of that might be coming out as well.
Instagram. We have an Instagram page now. What is it? Nancy at freespirit.com?
I think you need to look that up.
I need to look it up. Yeah. I'll edit that one out.
You're a dork. Also, you can head on over to our website at sv-freespirit.com. You can buy lots of this merchandise, shirts, bags, hats, cups, you name it, it's there. The proceeds do help support the channel as well as the project. Speaking of supporting the project, what about our favorite shopping list?
Oh, Amazon! They love to drop stuff off at our house.
So, underneath our giving page, you can click on our Amazon wish list and purchase something directly for the boat. Yes.
Not this one, the bigger one.
No, there's stuff on there for Dingleberry.
True story. Okay, for both boats.
For anything. So, you can head on over there and purchase something. Also, if you would like to help promote the channel, we are a 501c3 not-for-profit, so we will be able to accept tax donations, and all donations are tax deductible off your IRS income taxes.
Yep.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
So make sure to hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe, and
Continue to join us on the adventure.
you need to start rowing. Do you know why? Because we got another video coming out next week.
Oh!
Bye guys.